Hello guys, back with me again in the tutorial millennial YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to block movies or show for kids profile on Netflix. So if you don't want your kids to watch certain movies or show titles on Netflix, you can block it in your kids profile on Netflix. So I'm going to show you how. So the first thing that you need to do is open your Netflix account on your browser. So I'm going to go to my account, click on this, and then scroll down until you find this profile and parental controls, and go to your kids profile on Netflix. Just click on the arrow here and then click on the viewing restriction and click on change. Type in your password first and then click continue. And here I've already added, so I'm going to add the title. So for example, this one, and then you can add more than one title. So for example, okay, just wait. Why? Okay, so just like so, the titles has been added and you just need to save it. Okay, so the viewing restriction has been saved. So the movies or show that you just input or you just add has been blocked in your kids profile. Okay, that's so easy, and I think you can follow it right away. So that's all from me. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.